This video is going to help you navigate your GoHighlevel trial so that we can put you in the best position when it comes to getting client and making money from the software in your first 30-day trial. We made this video for our affiliate to show them how to get access to their bonus and the resource available for our affiliate program. But if you're not our affiliate, you still can follow along with this checklist to make sure that you have the right step when it comes to setting up your GoHighlevel correctly and how to launch it properly. So we're breaking this checklist up into two parts. The first is what we call the SaaS Success Checklist, and the second, which is the technical part, the GoHighlevel software setup checklist itself. So SaaS Success Checklist, we want to start with understanding your resource and access your bonus. So first, I made a video right here. It's a YouTube video that you can click and view and knowing what you're entitled to when it comes to accessing our bonus. And it's also a full-on Google document that will list what kind of access you get and what kind of bonus you get. Essentially, you get our course, our conversation AI snapshot, and literally all of our other snapshot is listed down in written format in this document, and it's also including how I was able to live in Thailand paying zero tax. So what you need to know as well is that we will be continue to adding more bonuses into this list and continue to make it for free for those who signing up to our affiliate program to make sure that this is a no-brainer offer in the marketplace. So to access to the bonus, first you want to make sure that you have done the sign up process correctly. That means copy and paste this link into an incognito window, guys. Okay, it's very important because everything is automated. Once you've done that, you want to check your sign up email, especially in the junks and spam inbox, because our email could land on that folder sometime. And then you want to search for the keyword Vico or welcome. So as you can see, I'm in my Gmail right now. This is the welcome email that you should see. It's from Vico Kang, and it say, congrats, you have become our exclusive member, Vico Kang. I want to make it very obvious for you to find and look for email like this. Once you open the email, it say, hey, welcome aboard, please follow the steps. So the email have its own checklist, but this is going to be the main checklist that you're going to follow. That's why I'm making this video about it. And the next thing you see in the URL is access to all of your bonuses and snapshot. This is going to be this very long URL that you can take here and copy, and I want to show you that will make it super easy for you guys that there would be no password, no login. You can copy and paste it right here in an incognito window, and you will get access to all of the snapshot and all of the bonus that have been laid out on the bonuses video. For example, if you click on our conversation AI snapshot module here, we're not just giving you the snapshot, we're actually giving you a step-by-step video that will show you how to set this up either for your agency or your client agency. You can see here is a full in-depth exclusive bonuses that only you can view it. The snapshot link is just right underneath the video alongside with a step-by-step tutorial. So it couldn't be any easier. Now moving back to the course, this link actually hosts all of the bonuses and the exclusive content, but the main thing that going to get you client, guys, is the Hybrid SaaS 3.0. And as you can see here, this module have been permanently moved to Skool. And if you click on it, right, there's just one video of me explaining that this module have been moved to Skool, and this is the client acquisition. We're going to teach you how to get client, how to charge them money, and how to craft an irresistible AI offer. So moving back to the checklist, if you can't see this email that I just mentioned, just click on this link and we'll show you how to troubleshoot it correctly with GoHighlevel support. What we assume here is that your sign up process have been incorrectly done. Again, guys, that's why it's very important to do the sign up process correctly, so there's no delay and there's no back and forth between GoHighlevel support and the whole bonus thing. If you need any personal assistance or personal help, hit me up on Facebook, because that's where I'm most responsive and active over there. With your sign up email, I will get you sorted in 48 hours, because what I need to do is manually put you into the welcome and the onboarding workflow. Right, so if you cannot be our GoHighlevel affiliate, you can click on this link and become one of our other GoHighlevel plugin partner affiliate program, right? So for example, we have app hacks here, HR Pro 2, Marketer Toolkit, Extendly, and you can also upgrade your current account to a higher plan, technically the SaaS mode, or you can join our lead. You will get all of the bonuses, including more hands-on support when it comes to joining our lead club. So check that out. So if you're watching this and you're not yet our GoHighlevel affiliate partner, you can also click this link and get yourself an account. So make sure to sign up using an incognito window with no ad blocker on. Okay, after understanding and access to all of your bonuses, the next thing that you want to do, guys, is schedule a one-on-one kickoff call with the GoHighlevel team. The link is right here, and the best part about it is there only 10 to 15 minutes of a wait time with no appointment required. You literally can click on the link right now and get to a call with one of GoHighlevel expert, and one of the experts will be assigned to you within 10 to 15 minutes. So you want to make sure that you want to sign up first and become a trial customer for this to work, because they will be asking for your customer ID on that call. The agenda of that call, guys, is to get the foundation and the fundamental of GoHighlevel system set up. Right, so we're talking email, SMS, and Stripe connection. And this is very important because this is going to make your GoHighlevel software become a functional software. So you want to do this very, very early on. And lastly, you want to come into this call with any preparation, right? You want to have all of the questions written down and actually knock everything off in one call. So the next thing is to actually join our private support group. This is our school community. Remember, we have the actual bonus, but the Hybrid SaaS 3.0, we have moved it to the school community so that we can help people better. You can indicate in your school bio that you are our affiliate, right? This is optional, you don't have to do that. First thing, when you come to school, you want to get into the classroom format to access our Hybrid SaaS 3.0, which is the most updated course. The goal of that course is to help you get your first 10 software client in 30 days. So this is where you would locate it. I'm in my school platform right now. If you head over to Classroom, we have laid out everything in a very, very easy to digest format. You obviously want to start here and GoHighlevel setup, craft your AI irresistible offer, and really get your client in this module. So I can't wait for you guys to check this out. We'll put a lot of time and work into the whole classroom format. The course will have its own checklist and action list to make sure that you download and follow that correctly to make sure we ensure your success in your 30-day trial. The next thing you want to do is join our weekly call on the calendar section. Okay, I put a link here that you can click and join our school. But if you're already in school, just head over to calendar and you can see there's so many events that we give you guys the opportunity to get help with real people. Okay, so if you head over to September here, we try to really pack the whole month with all of the events in advance for you guys. Next, you want to make your first post in the community. So if you come back into school here, you want to head over to community. You can really write your introduction post here, or just write any question and put a title here and select a category, and then can ask question. And I'm very active on here. Me and my team will answer your question with less than 24 hours, if not count weekend. Again, guys, you want to engage, ask question, and share wins in the community. The more you give, the more you get back. That's just the law of the universe. The next thing is that you want to book a one-on-one call with myself and my team, and you can click this link here. You can see once you click, you have two options, which is a call with Vico, which is myself, and our tech support team. Okay, only book this call once you finish all of the above checklists. If you want to pick me, that's for a custom roadmap success, right? I'm gonna paint and map out the roadmap for the next 90 days for your SaaS software business. If you have any tech support question, you can select tech support to help set up basic stuff such as calendar, website, automation, workflows, and all that stuff. Right, bonus here, during the onboarding call, you will be added to a one-on-one private chat with Vico, which is myself. And if you book the call and show up within the first 48 hours of signing up for your GoHighlevel trial, you will be entitled for an unlimited one-on-one help for the rest of your 30-day trial. So we're doing this to incentivize you to book a call and actually show up, because what we see is that people that are signing up for the trial, people who take action in the beginning, is more likely to win and continue to keep that momentum and actually become a real winner. We want to help those people in our community and keep a close connection with them in our network. So if you're one of those people, make sure that you book the call and show up within the first 48 hours of signing up for the GoHighlevel trial. So the next part of the checklist is what we call the GoHighlevel software checklist. Okay, so you can see here we map out everything into a checklist and a bullet point, so it's easy for you to follow along. But the best part about it is that we have linked everything to a video reference back in school. right? So remember, if you go into Skool here, right, there's a module here that's called GoHighlevel Setup. Now, if you click onto this and you head over to set up your SAP account, which is down here, this module is actually the checklist itself. You can see here, connecting your Stripe, import your snapshot, set up your domain, set up your lead capture website, set up your SMS US number, set up your SMS Australia number, set up your email, set up your calendar and workflow. So this module in the Skool classroom is actually the checklist itself. For those of you who's not in our Skool community yet, we're just going to give you this checklist. I'm going to leave this checklist somewhere around this video in the description so that you can follow this checklist along without being in our Skool community. It's very well thought out. You can just follow it step by step. But join our Skool community anyway. We're quite selective on who we let in. So make sure that you DM me personally that you're our affiliate, so we'll make sure to actually guarantee your acceptance to the Skool community. So that's it, guys. We're not going to go too in depth with the GoHighlevel setup checklist just because we have the entire Skool module dedicated to it. If you have any questions, let me know. Like this video and drop in a comment and I will get back to you. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, if you enjoy watching the video, make sure that you're also checking out this content right there.